Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure the Creative Cloud Desktop app itself is up to date and that you're signed into the same Adobe ID enrolled in the beta. Once done, close Photoshop and any GPU-heavy apps so files won't lock. This prevents installation failures. Now open Creative Cloud Desktop, select the Beta tab, and locate Photoshop Beta. You're beginning the only supported path. Manage the beta from Creative Cloud rather than an app auto-update. This central control avoids mismatched builds. Once you click Update in the Beta tab, Creative Cloud will fetch the new build. You'll see progress and estimated time. Make sure to allow any permission prompts or admin elevations. This ensures files are replaced correctly. While downloading and installing, avoid network switches and don't interrupt power. If an installer asks to close background helpers, agree so files aren't locked. When the installer finishes, Creative Cloud will register the new build and prepare Photoshop Beta to launch with the updated binaries. After installation, launch Photoshop Beta and open Help About to confirm the version matches the update notes. This verifies success. You should test a quick project and confirm plugins load. If something breaks, backup presets and reset preferences selectively rather than wiping everything. If the update failed, restart Creative Cloud Desktop, clear its cache via preferences, and rerun the beta update. This resolves corrupted downloads. If problems persist, export logs and contact Adobe support while continuing to run the stable photo.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.